Hey guys, so today I'm going to be taking apart a Vidal Sassoon hair dryer. It's a mini hair dryer. First things first, make sure that it is unplugged from any power source. You don't want to electrocute yourself. Okay, and then we're going to take apart the shell. So on the shell, you're going to have a screw right there. I don't, but hopefully you do. You're just going to screw that, no big deal. Then you can take that same screwdriver and switch this right here, and that's going to pry these two pieces apart. Alright? And then the last couple pieces are going to be these rubber pins. And you can just pop those out with a screwdriver or whatever you have. Both come out. Okay? And then this entire back piece comes off really easily. Okay? And you actually have a wire filter inside there, and that's going to keep any junk from getting through your hair dryer. You just want the air, of course. Okay? And what just fell off over here is going to be the plastic casing on top of your power switch. It's just there so you can turn it on and off from the outside of the hair dryer, of course. Okay, and then your actual power switch is going to be right here. Okay, it has off, low, and high settings, and that's going to house the connection between these three wires, which heat your coils, and the power source right here. Okay, so this whole thing actually pops out as one unit. And so, like I said, you have the power switch. And it's going to have the three coils that heat, or three wires that heat all your coils that are right here, and then you have the red wire, which is connected separately, and that's going to power your fan. Okay, so of course the wires heat different spots of the coils. One's on top, one's in the middle, one's on the bottom, and then the fan will start rotating and blow all the hot air through. Pretty simple. And then on the inside of this, there's a material that will keep the heat from melting the plastic casing, and then there's another filter to keep your hair out of the fan, which is very helpful. Okay, and then this goes in pretty easily. Make sure the fan is facing up and the wires are going down the handle. Set that right in there. All the wires are going to go right underneath the power switch, like that. This sits between four prongs, and then this connection just sits right there next to it. Okay, the power cord is going to wrap up nicely right here. That's not too difficult to fit in, or at least it wasn't. There we go. Okay, and then you get your power switch back on here, and that's going to sit right on top of here. It just sits there. Okay, and then the back casing can go back on. Just snap that on. Make sure you put your pins back in on both sides. Flip this switch again, and then screw it in, and you're good to go. There you guys go. Thanks so much.